Okay, so we are going to be making cards for people we love, and I'm gonna show you how simple it is to make a fun, unique card, and how awesome it'd be for them to receive a card that you handmade instead of just bought. So okay, so this is a card I painted. I use this beautiful icy blue paint. I love it. And then like this acrylic matte, just regular paint. See how the flowers just sit on top of that? And see a tiny cute little honeybee? So my friend, she loves bees, and I call her Queen Honeybee. And today I am going to embellish this card. And I wanted to use, I have tons of old broken jewelry and beads. This one was a necklace I had. It's turquoise, it's gorgeous, and it came like in a ton of strands. And a little baby I was holding at a special event grabbed onto my necklace and pulled it, and these beads went all over the ground, just like it's starting to now. And was I embarrassed? No, because I had enough embarrassing experiences that wasn't a big deal. People were embarrassed around me because it made like a like bacon sizzling sound because it was a quiet moment. Anyway, but I collected all the beads. Did I look silly picking up all the beads? Yes. Did I get all the beads? No. But anyway, that's my story. I love these beads. And I am going to put that on a thank you card and give it to somebody I love. And they won't even know the story behind it. Well, now they might. Okay, so this is a box of broken jewelry I kept over the years. Like, as you can see, I thought that was cool. And so yeah, I know a lot of you have broken jewelry. You just can't get rid of it because someone gave you it and it's special. And now that you're making a card for someone special, how perfect to keep that going. See that? So I lost the other earring to this, and I loved it. So I kept it. So how cool would it be to reuse this piece right here? Or my friend gave me these earrings, these chandelier earrings a while back, and look what happened. And right here, see? And I have the other one. So I think I'm going to use these because I miss my friend. She moved to Hawaii, her and her family, and I love her. And every time I look at these, I think of her. And so I think I'm going to keep a couple of pieces from here. So I'm going to pop off a couple of these pieces. I'm going to just use tweezers. You can use any tools, like a screwdriver or butter knife or whatever you have in the kitchen, and just start taking apart your jewelry. And this just should pop off. Okay, so and I was thinking of using these like in the middle. So I just need one more. I like the number 4, so I'm gonna put 4 on there. See, usually costume jewelry will come apart pretty easy. So just be creative, use whatever tools. So I'm gonna get 4 little gems because I like the number 4. So just figure out a way where you want to set it up on your card. Now, if you painted with me before, you will have like cards like such as this one that we painted together. And see, this would look awesome on here, you know? Oh, you know what? That does look cool. Okay, so you know what? Twist ending. We're going to put this to the side. We're going to find the perfect jewelry for that one. But we are going to embellish this one. This one looks so much better. Okay, so remember that washi tape that we used in the last video? Just recycle your washi tape. Don't throw it away because we only got so much of that. And because we're in COVID, that's like the last thing you want to buy right now is more washi tape. So just tape down your card on the corners. And see what I'm painting on this? This is just a canvas that I haven't painted yet, and it still has the plastic wrap on it. So you don't need a fancy art table, just a solid one, and one that you don't mind getting messy. So, okay, so I have my glue gun here. It's pink. I like pink. And I have a glue stick already in here, but they have glue stick now that have glitter in it, which is pretty cool. So you can use a glitter stick, or even if you don't have a hot glue stick and you have super glue, go ahead and use that. Okay, so I'm gonna do that right there and just glue that. And see, there's, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, there's gonna be glue that spreads out around your jewelry. And if you have glitter, it's like perfect because you just cover the glue. Whatever you want to hide, just cover it with glitter. That's why there's called body glitter. Something unflattering, just put a ton of glitter on yourself. And voila. You don't need a diet. Okay, so check that out. Imagine, now look at that. How awesome. See, and that's just using your old jewelry that's broken. And now a piece of jewelry that brought me joy and I loved it. Now it's going to go on a card that someone's going to keep forever. And it's going to maybe go on their refrigerator or on their nightstand. My friend gave me a card. It was a hummingbird card. And she put a beautiful scripture in there when I was going through some stuff. And I kept it on my nightstand. And just, even though sometimes I didn't read it, just looking at it reminded me of how much I was loved and I'm not alone. And it just reminded me of her. And she put a joke, a funny joke inside that made me laugh. Just put me in a good mood. So the card that you make for somebody else, you embellish it with an old jewelry. I mean, they would love it because they love you. All right, now I wanted to show you guys something. Last video I showed you a card, but I found another cool card. Can you imagine getting one of these in the mail? You open it up like that. How cool is that? So if you guys want to make something like this, let me know. And we can make it. So anyway, that's that. And then if you're wondering where I get my cards, this one I got in a packet, but there's another card stock that I get. I got this only for $1 at Target in their dollar section. So you just gotta keep your eye out and look at this for $1. There's 3 people right here that you can make cards to, and has envelopes, and they would just love it for $1. So yeah, what I hope you guys get from my videos is that you don't need fancy stuff to be an artist. You don't need a fancy art studio to make something loving for somebody. Just be creative and keep it simple, and it can make somebody's day a whole lot brighter. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, a thumbs up, a like, a comment is all appreciated. All right, well, take care, and hopefully you come back to my next video.